Beyond the algorithms lies true digital intelligence. This is MetricMind.
Ever wonder why YouTube perfectly predicts exactly what video you want to watch at 2 a.m.? It's not magic, and it's not just tracking your watch history. What you are looking at right now is a digital colossus, a massive multi-stage deep neural network engine. This is the exact data flow visualization that dictates human attention on a global scale. Today, we are going behind the dark glass of this central hub. We are breaking down the exact mechanics of how billions of videos are filtered into a single, personalized feed. Pay attention, because once you understand this map, you don't just watch the game, you control it. The raw inputs. What the machine knows. Look at the left side of the screen. The machine doesn't start with content, it starts with you. Every action you take leaves a digital fingerprint. The explicit signals are obvious. Your likes, your dislikes, your subscriptions. But the algorithm looks deeper. It tracks the implicit signals, the exact keywords typed into your search history, the paths of your watch history, and the ultimate currency of the internet. Watch time. It knows the exact millisecond you clicked away. It factors in your device context. Are you lean back viewing on a TV or scrolling frantically on a phone? It factors in your physical location. The machine isn't just analyzing data, it is reconstructing your state of mind. As a creator, remember this. You aren't just competing against other videos. You are fighting to align with the user's exact current reality. The central hub and the filter now, the focus shifts to the core. The feature extraction and indexing hub. YouTube has a massive problem. It has to filter billions of videos down to a tiny handful instantly. It cannot score every video for every user. It has to decimate the numbers. First, feature extraction. The AI watches and listens to the video. It extracts meaning from the metadata, titles, tags, thumbnails, and transcripts, but it also runs an internal audio-visual analysis. Then comes candidate generation, the first massive sieve. Through collaborative filtering, it finds thousands of users just like you and tracks what kept them hooked. Through content-based filtering, it creates a tailored pool of just a few thousand candidates. The ocean becomes a stream. Deep neural network ranking. This is where the real power lies. The deep neural network ranking engine. Thousands of videos enter the crucible. Only the elite survive. The network scores every single video based on 4 unbreakable pillars. 1. User behavior. The machine predicts your exact click-through rate and projected retention before you even see the thumbnail. 2. Video quality. It dissects retention graphs, measuring exactly where engagement spikes or dies. 3. Relevancy. It calculates the immediate timeliness of the topic to the current moment. 4. Channel authority. It checks the creator's track record. Has this channel earned the right to keep people on the platform? Stage 2, re-ranking. If the algorithm stopped at pure mathematical ranking, your feed would be a repetitive nightmare. 20 identical videos from the same channel. Stage 2 fixes that by applying human psychology to raw data. It introduces diversity, intentionally mixing genres to keep the brain stimulated. It factors in true satisfaction, weighing real survey feedback over mindless, accidental clicks. It injects freshness, giving new creators a temporary visual pulse to see if they can survive the neural test. And it enforces safety, ensuring the ecosystem remains protected. The destination and the actionable secret. Look to the far right. The journey is complete. The billions of data streams have converged perfectly into the homepage feed, up next, search results, and notifications. This map is your blueprint. To win, you must feed the machine exactly what it wants. Optimize your feature extraction with flawless metadata and pristine transcripts so the AI knows exactly where you belong. Then, design for the Stage 1 ranking test. Master your click-through rate. Obsess over your retention. Now that you know exactly how the engine chooses what lives and dies, you need to know how to build the high-retention intros that pass the neural network test. Do not waste this knowledge. Watch my next videos, where I break down the ultimate retention hacks to dominate the algorithm. I'll see you there.